I'm your host, and my name is Khalid Najak. It is my distinct honor and privilege to welcome you to our press conference. We have an exciting program for you today and look forward to sharing with you what we have in store for all of you. Today, we will be hearing from Christopher T. Ian, the spokesman for our beloved English teachers. They're all enthusiasts of a series we like to call Harry Potter. That is why we came up with the illustrious idea of finding your Patronus.
As many of you have likely heard, the school plans on offering a course on Harry Potter as an elective option for interested students. This course will be called Finding Your Patronus, and will focus on analyzing themes of theology and examining how these topics are present in the Harry Potter world. This is a decision that we came to after much deliberation about the benefits as well as the potential negative impacts such a course we have to offer would affect our students. Ultimately, we came to the conclusion that adding a Harry Potter course as an optional course in our program would be for the best interest of our student population.
See potentially Harry Potter becoming sort of a Shakespeare-esque kind of book in becoming something that will be read in high schools potentially for kids, because it is fun and we're doing it in colleges. Do you think it'll go down to lower levels at some point?
I do believe that there is the possibility of that happening, just because Harry Potter was originally made for the young adult and preteen age group and has just expanded its readership over the years.
The theology you were speaking about, what is so important about that in Harry Potter that can translate into 2018, 2019 kind of time?
Harry Potter did focus a lot on differences between people, and in today's culture and political climate, what ends up happening is there is a lot of discourse between people assuming that one religion might be dominant over another. And that's something that Harry Potter covers kind of very subtly in its courses. Not so much in the 7th book, I will admit, but it does end up with the main focus being on openness and magic for everyone capable. And I think that's important to realize, that religion should be celebrated no matter what religion you are part of.
Speaking on that, like you were talking about mythology, but it kind of crosses the barrier between theology and mythology. Do you think it's just sort of a gateway into mythology? Multiple mythologies?
I wouldn't necessarily say it's a gateway to mythology. Do you mind elaborating a little bit?
I just know that usually it just pulls from so many different mythologies, so I'm just curious if that's really a big factor.
So, well, when it comes to the general plan for the course, the general plan is to introduce theology through mythology, as a sort of a soft opening into it. We're not trying to stagger our students or get them intimidated by the topic. So by using mythology as our gateway, it lets us ease them into the topic of theology, just because there aren't very many courses that combine popular literature with theology, or with talk on religion in general.